7,300 people have died in Turkey. The number could go up to 20,000. The magnitude of earthquake was 7.8 on Richter scale. This quake is the strongest to hit Turkey since 1939, when an earthquake of the same magnitude killed 30,000 people. Entire buildings collapsed and flattened, leaving hundreds of thousands displaced outside in the snow and cold. Through the night, survivors used their bare hands to pick over the twisted ruins of multi-story apartment blocks, trying to save family, friends, and anyone else sleeping inside when the first massive 7.8 magnitude quake struck early Monday. More than 8,000 survivors have been pulled from earthquake rubble in Turkey and Syria. Turkey's president declared a 3-month state of emergency in the 10 hardest-hit provinces. Harrowing images have emerged of some of the millions of children caught in the catastrophic earthquake in Turkey and Syria. Due to this earthquake, there are numerous large quakes at various locations around Turkey. Numerous highways were also destroyed. Concerns are growing that a far greater extent of destruction will become visible once rescue parties access cut-off areas. Turkey is facing one of biggest disasters not only in its history but also in world. See the level of devastation in these pictures of certain locations in Turkey before and after the earthquake. Monday's quake brought down at least 6,000 buildings across the 10 provinces of Turkey, including hospitals and other public premises. Governments around the world quickly responded to Turkey's request for international assistance, deploying rescue teams and offers of aid. Hours after the announcement made by the Prime Minister's office, India has dispatched the first batch of earthquake relief material to Turkey aboard an Indian Air Force aircraft. The shipment consisted of an expert National Disaster Response Force search and rescue team, highly skilled dog squads, an array of medical supplies, advanced drilling equipment, and other crucial tools required for the aid effort.